So yesterday when I was getting ready for work, I rediscovered a palette I haven't used in quite a while. So I'm going to show you that look today. I'm going to also revisit some products that I've had in my kit and haven't used in videos. I'm going to begin with the Tarte Shape Tape Eye Primer, and I believe it just comes in one color. I already have on my mascara because I ran an errand this morning and I look pitiful without my mascara because my lashes are so light. This is a Real Techniques brush. I think it's just a basic blender. I think I got a brush hair in my eyeball. I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I'm going to use another product that you haven't seen in a while. This is by Focallure. It has a powder in the middle. So this product has a pencil on one end. It has the powder in the center. It's kind of like the Estee Lauder Multitasker brow pencil I used to have that dried up and the lid fell out. Nothing against the product. I may have had it long enough for the lid to fall out. I'm going to go ahead and do my brow gel too. I'm going to use the Brow Gal brow gel for this today. It's got a tiny little brush. That one was dried up. That's why it wasn't doing anything. Alright, this is the Sigma Clear Brow Gel. And I'm going to use underbrow highlight, and I'm going to use my Delium concealer brush. This is a really flat brush like this, and it is from the Bamboo collection. The brushes are all pink and they come in a brush roll, and this is number 936, and this is just the basic cream color shadow. It's by Lorac, and I can't find it in a single, but it comes in most of their shadow kits. There's the brows. Now, I'm using the Naked Heat palette by Urban Decay today. I rediscovered it yesterday. And I'm going to begin with the color Chaser. I think the reason I pulled it back out is I wanted to compare it to the Charlotte Tilbury Desert Haze. Alright, that was Chaser. Now I'm going to go in with Sauced. Ooh, these are some potent brows, aren't they? Bold, you might say. Alright, the first color I used was Chaser. The second color is Sauced. The next color is Low Blow. And I'm bringing it in to the inner corner. Next, I'm going to take L'Ombre. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I'm going to take my flat concealer brush again. This one has it's a little bit shiny. It's a rose gold. So the Charlotte Tilbury Desert Haze is similar to this palette in the color tones, but the Charlotte Tilbury is all matte, and this one has some satins. I'm going to take the color on Fuego and put it in the outside corner. And I'm using an E54. Then I'm going to take another product by Focallure. It's their liner pen. And I'm going to do a baby wing on the outside. Do that initial flick. And then bring it in. It just colored my entire contact. It dripped in my eye and color. All right. So I do not recommend this product, Focallure. It could be because I stored it face down, I don't know. But as I was drawing, it must have let go of a whole drop, and it went in my eye, and it clung to my contact, and it turned my contact completely black. So I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use my Smashbox to finish this look. To finish this baby wing. To be perfectly honest, I think I enjoy the Maybelline Eyestudio gel liner the best. Alright, there's the wing liner. That was quite a setback with that liner oozing into my eyeball. I'm going to put on some more Lumbra. I really like that shadow. There we go. And the on Fuego. And then I'm going to take Ember, I believe, on a pencil brush. My liner wasn't dry. I was just trying to smoke out this outside corner. This is more of the on Fuego. Alright, and I'm going to take Ounce on another pencil brush. Put it on the inside. It's a very predictable look. And I want to take the Tom Ford and put it on my tight line, even though I have a bunch of black liner floating around in my eyes anyway. I'm going to take some Ember and put it underneath. It's a dark metallic brown. And some of the Fuego, and go underneath that. Alright. And then I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush and go over the top of all of that. I didn't mean to, but I wiped off my mascara when I went in the bathroom to get all that black eyeliner out of my eyeballs. So this is the Definicils. And this is Inner Rim Brightener. Now I'm going to moisturize my face, and I'm going to use some of the Sisley Black Rose Skin Infusion Cream. I was trying to adjust my lighting and I burnt my finger. That's why I'm acting silly with my finger. This smells like rose hips. That's what this smells like. Like rose hip tea. If you don't like that smell, it's kind of an earthy plant tea smell. If you don't like that, you won't like this. And it's a lot to pay for something that you don't like the way it smells. I love the way my makeup's been looking since I've been using the Dinair. It stays perfect all day. So I'm going to use 3 drops on my Luxie highlighting brush. It looks like it's just going to bead up and not blend. But you just keep working. Keep buffing it. And it comes out perfect. And the color is Honey Beige. So I've done the lower half of my face and now I'm going to do the upper half. Okay, I have that buffed in now. Today I'm going to use the Fenty in the Sun as kind of a setting powder before I go in with my bronzer. And it's so light, I think I can use it as just a powder. My curiosity was whether it has a perfecting finish. Like, does it give extra coverage? Does it blur? And it looks like it does give extra cover and blur. And this one's called Inda. Yeah, I like that. I like the finish of that. Then I'm going to take my butter bronzer and my multitask brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to bronze where the sun would burn me, where I would be sunburned, or where I'd be red if I were sunburned. And this is called Endless Summer. Yeah. And then I'm going to use a blush. I'm not using the Milani blush today because I'm giving it away because I already have one similar to that color and I don't care for the way it smells. One of you who's not so smell sensitive might enjoy it. Okay, this is called Sweet Cheeks Glow Creamy Powder Blush from NYX and the color is Fig. I'm going to give this a go today. And this is a mop brush from Hobby Lobby. It's Master's Touch 425 Oval Mop. And I'm going to put this on the tops of my cheeks. And then I'm going to take the Makeup Forever, the highlighter portion, and put that on my nose like that. On my Cupid's bow. I'm using a Q-tip because I've already dirtied all my pencil brushes. I think you can still find this on eBay. I'm going to use my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind underneath my eyes. And I'm going to use my P86 from Sigma. I'm going to use some wispy clusters today for 2 reasons. One of which is because my lashes that I was using are in my bathroom and that's on the other side of the house. And because I saw these and I thought, let's try these. So I'm going to take and these are so easy to use. I'm taking a medium one. I'm going to dip it in my dark duo and weight it 6 times and then stick it on the outside corner. Oh, you missed that. Sorry about that. Okay, there's one. Going in on the other side. too. I like that ember on my bottom lash line, or whatever it is. What did I use down there? I think it was the ember. All right, there's 2 clusters. Going in with another one. So while I was organizing my kit, I came across this. It's called What's Up by Benefit. So I wanted to give this a go today. It's a stick highlighter. Let's do it on the end of the nose. Oh, I already have a lot of highlight on the end of my nose. Oh well, let's see what happens if you put this over the top of it. Put it on the inner corner. Alright, I wanted to show you a different lipstick combination today. This is by Sam Marcel, and the color is Celine. I think we're going to use a lip conditioner first. I'm going to use this chapstick. It's similar to the Burt's Bees. It's a balm, a tinted balm. So I'm going to put that on first because I'm going to use a liquid lip in the color Celine. Pat that in. And then I'm going to use the Bite Beauty lip crayon in Glace. It's a beautiful mauve lip combination. I enjoyed making this look for you today, and please look at the links in the description box. Browse through those. I'm told that if you click through them and browse and don't purchase anything, it still helps. So I'm willing for any little bit of help you can give me. Also, let me know if you would like a Charleston makeup artist tee. You can email me at charlestonmakeupartist@gmail.com and let me know the size you would like and your address. And for the next 24 hours, I'm selling them for $20. Thank you so much, and I look forward to talking to you in the comments. Ta-ta.